Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best utility knife that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the Lenox Utility Knife Quick Change. The Lenox Utility Knife Quick Change addresses all of the common problems inherent in the classic utility knife design. The grip is comfortable and effective, nicely curved to match the shape of the hand in a thumb-out grip position, which prompts precision and pressure on the blade. The internal blade storage is easy to access, and the no-tool blade release is quick and easy. The combination of these two features makes switching to a sharp blade a breeze. Moreover, the buttons are big and grippy, making it easy to operate all aspects of the knife. Finally, the internal blade storage clamp goes a long way to eliminate rattling while at the same time helping to keep the extra blades as sharp as ever. Moving on at number 4, we have the Cobalt Utility with 11 blades. The Cobalt Utility with 11 blades is one heck of a pocket knife, boasting sound construction and plenty of space for a firm grip. Much like a traditional pocket knife, this tool has a spring lock that is quite secure when its blade is in the open position. We really like this feature because the tool offers users leverage comparable to non-folding knives while eliminating concerns of an unexpected closure. Additionally, when the knife is folded up, you can rest assured that the stiff pocket clip will keep the knife in place even when squatting or high-stepping. Despite the burly construction and secure pocket clip, this model isn't without shortcomings. First off, though not impossible, unfolding the knife is quite hard to manage with one hand. However, closing it without the use of two hands is even more difficult, bordering on dangerous, and we don't recommend attempting it. Finally, there is no onboard blade storage. Counterbalancing this issue is a blade swiping system that is simple and effective. All in all, this is a quality knife at a competitive price. At number 3, we have the Stanley Classic 99. If you like simple, affordable, dependable tools, then the Stanley Classic 99 is likely your kind of knife. This blade has a narrow handle but offers ample grip. It has just one moving part, and it stores up to 10 extra blades. Speaking to the quality and simplicity of the design, the blade carriage has very little play, which is more than we can say about much of the competition. Our main concern about the 99E is that its two halves are secured with a screw that has to be backed out when you want to change out a blade. While it's not that big of a deal, it does require a screwdriver or a penny if you're in a pinch. Annoyingly, the loose blades that are stored in the handle will spill out if you're not mindful to turn the handle flat when you separate the two halves. Yet, we found this model to be an effective tool designed to take a clobbering and keep on cutting. At number 2, we have the Olfa 1,072,198 LAX. The Olfa LAX stands apart from the competition on account of its long blade, 3.25 inches, that is scored to allow the top section to be broken off to expose a sharper tip section. The blade's length offers a real advantage when cutting along a feature such as a straight edge or in a slot. Conversely, when precision work is required, simply retract the blade to its shortest setting to increase rigidity. Moreover, the handle's rubber inlay combined with the flaring shape enhances the grip and, thus, the cutting control. The LAX is a practical tool, often owned in conjunction with a traditional utility knife, but it's not without some shortfalls worth mentioning. For starters, the blade carriage is constructed of plastic which is not nearly as durable as metal. The blade lock is also a bit flimsy. We did not experience any issues with these parts, however, we would not recommend this model as a standalone for heavy use. And finally at number 1, we have the Outdoor Edge SlideWinder. The Outdoor Edge SlideWinder is a compact knife that is easy to keep on hand. At just 1/4 inch thick and sporting a pocket clip, there's no reason not to carry this multi-tool on your person every day. The blade is easy to swap, and the built-in Phillips and flathead screwdrivers work well, particularly when compared to other multi-tools in the class. Although the stainless steel frame is sufficiently sturdy, the blade carriage lock is an issue. We found it to be stiff and not always reliable. For those with larger hands, you may find this tool only allows for a 3-finger grip, making prolonged use uncomfortable. Lastly, a nominal concern, albeit an important one after 5 o'clock, is the onboard bottle opener.
Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.